I'm Nick Thomas, and this is Nick's Rifle Range. Yeah. Now here at Nick's Gun Range, we got a variety of guns to choose from. Right here, got the Green Goblin. It's for little tykes. Just gotta pump it once and shoot at a tree. This next one here we got for them teenagers, you know, they do crazy shit all the time. Oh, can't get it out. Now this one, badass. Cock it, lock it, aim and fire. I'm not even gonna worth firing this one. You know why? It's powerful. That's what that is. Alright, for those old people who like to snipe deer and stuff, well, you can practice with this sniper. It's got some dual shot action and stuff like that. It's kind of like a shotgun. You just gotta cock it, lock it a few times, not just once. Look through the sight and just go for the gold, as we say here in Nick's Gun Range. Now here at Nick's Gun Range, you can shoot a variety of things, including beer cans, skateboards, footballs. You can shoot lamps. Hell, you can even shoot guns. You can kill people, included, but not limited to, redheads. You can shoot lawn furniture. You know that stuff you sit on?
There you go.
You can even kill mutts. Sometimes we even have rabbits running around here, but if they ain't, you can kill a fake rabbit. You can even shoot the grass. Or maybe if you don't like the grass, you can shoot the leaves. What's really hard here is them little beer pong balls you got there, the little whites on them bitches. You can shoot those. You can shoot squirrels, them speedy sons of bitches. I guess if you're really bored, you can always shoot the beloved target we got here. Hell, you can even shoot me. Who gives a shit? Now, y'all don't like trash, do you? Like the redheads? Well, you can even shoot the trash. And if you're lucky, you might get the trash man too. Cans hanging from a tree. Or trees hanging from a can. You know those people who drive them things with an engine and 4 wheels on it? I don't like them. You can even shoot them cars. You can even shoot carpet! Here at Nick's Gun Range, we're fortunate to have the renowned redhead sniper, Thomas Afton. And he's here to teach you how to snipe. Alright, here's the stage.
Let me fire.
Woohoo! Alright, now y'all know what y'all can shoot here, all the rifles we provide, and thanks to the renowned redhead, you know how to snipe. Thanks for stopping by Nick's Shooting Range. Yeehaw!